Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Desiree, and if you want to see how to get this beautiful nighttime or going out with your girlfriends or just whatever you want Valentine's Day look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is a primer and a moisturizer, and I'm just going to take some of this and put it all over my face. I'm going to take my Clinique Prep Start and I'm going to put this under the eye. Take a little bit of my Too Faced Shadow Insurance and I'm going to apply this to my lids. So now I'm going to go in with my Soap and Glory. This is Kick, that word. And this is All Is Calm Anti-Redness Concealer. It's this really big jumbo thing. And I'm going to apply this everywhere that I have my redness. If you saw my latest video, I explained as to why I'm applying a crud load of green concealer. And this is only because my face is still slightly irritated from that, that cleanser that I had tried. So this is why I'm doing this. Not because I want my face covered in green concealer. So now I'm going to take a dry beauty blender from Real Techniques and I'm just going to continue to do this until it is more thin on my face. It's not so bright like this, it's just more evened out. So I'm only taking this apricot color only where it is needed, which is usually here underneath my tear duct. That's where I usually have dark circles under my eyes. And I'm going to just take my Flower Beauty, this is the E01 brush, and I'm just going to use this brush to blend this out. The face alone for a little bit and then we're gonna do the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my Candy Johnson. This is I Want Candy palette. I love Candy Johnson, by the way. And I'm just gonna go in with the shade Taupe Berry and I'm gonna use the Sephora brush, and this is just a crease brush, and I'm gonna take some of this and I'm going to run it right underneath the crease. So then I'm going to go in with this shade called Raspberry Cocoa, and I'm just going to take this e.l.f. contour brush. It's a small little dome brush, and I'm just going to take this color, top off that excess, and place it right underneath where I put Taupe Berry. Maybe even bringing it slightly into Taupe Berry. My 217 brush with nothing on it, and I'm just going to blend the outer part of where I put Taupe Berry and my Raspberry Cocoa, and I'm just going to blend these edges here so that there's no harsh lines. It just makes the look a little more softer and more well put together and not so crazy. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Hot Chocolate, and I'm going to take this small eye crease brush, and I'm only going to take some of it and I'm going to place it on the outer corner of the eye. So now with my e.l.f. flat brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Sugar Plum, and I'm going to put that all over my lid, just this inner part here, and I'm going to do this in a tapping motion. And I'm not bringing this all the way in, I'm just doing it in this part here. And I'm slightly bringing it up just a little bit. And I'm just patting in between those two colors that I had already did all this other work. Into Hot Cocoa, and just slightly into Raspberry Cocoa, I mean not Hot Cocoa, Hot Chocolate, and slightly up into what is it, Taupe Berry and Raspberry Cocoa, and I'm just slightly bringing it up, only patting in. Now I'm going to take this shade Banana Cream Pie, and I'm going to use this brush here, my Real Techniques brush, and I'm taking just a little bit of this and I am applying this under my brow bone. Then I'm going to take a little bit of whipped cream, just a tiny little bit, and I'm only placing this right under my arch and blending it out slightly. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Profusion. This is my long-lasting liquid eyeliner pen in black, and I'm going to use this and just stamp this tip thing onto in between my lashes and my eyelid. It's basically tight lining, but with this type of marker, and I'm just gonna do that all around. And as I'm coming in here, I'm just gonna slightly drag down. Eyes alone for now, and I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and I'm gonna take my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. I'm in the shade Sand, and I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques flat brush, and I'm taking some of this and I'm gonna start patting this in. Look where the stuff smells. Ooh. No hair. Okay, so I left my under eye area alone, and now I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques. This is my Expert Face Brush, and I'm just going to buff in my foundation. Okay, so now I'm just using my finger to warm up that apricot concealer that I put on earlier because it did crease on me. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I'm in the shade Medium, and I'm taking this only where I need it, which is in the areas I have placed my apricot concealer. Then I'm taking the same Flower Beauty E01 brush, and I'm just going to buff that under my eye. I'm going to take this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, and I'm going in with my e.l.f. Finishing Powder. I'm in the light medium shade. Oh. And I'm just taking a little bit of this, tapping off that excess, and applying this under the eye to set everything that I've just done. Same powder, I'm going in with my other Flower Beauty F03 brush, and I'm just going to swirl this around, tap off that excess, and place this all over the face. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. Duo. This is in Fiji, a matte blush and matte bronzer, and I'm just going to go in with my Sephora All Over powder brush, but I use it for bronzing, and I'm just going to take some of that and place it here at the top of my cheekbone. I'm not placing it under my cheekbone, it's going to be here on the top of my cheekbone. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. angled blush brush, and I'm going in with this pink shade and just very lightly tap it because this stuff is pigmented. Just a little bit goes a long ways. Okay, so I'm going in with my Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm just going in with this shade right here, and I'm also taking this e.l.f. blush brush, and I'm only applying this on the top of my cheekbones. I'm also going to take a little bit of this just down my nose, just a little bit. I'm not bringing it up all the way, just down the bridge of my nose, on top of my Cupid's bow, and just a little bit here, just to give me a little something. To make everything melt together, I'm going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, and I'm going to spritz my entire face with this. And with my Dry Beauty blender, I'm just gonna finish off the eyes, and I'm going in with this angled brush by Sonia Kashuk, and I'm just going in with hot chocolate, and I'm going to run this underneath my lower lash line. And I'm bringing this closest to where my natural lashes are and very close to my waterline. I'm not dragging this down. And I'm gonna take this angled brush, this is my Mary Kay angled brush, and I'm just gonna go in with Licorice Rope. It's the black shade in this palette, and I'm just going to go over where I put my eyeliner. I'm not gonna bring it in over here. I'm just doing the basically halfway up my eye, and the reason why I'm doing this is to make the eyeliner a little more soft. I'm going back in with that shade Whipped Cream, and I'm taking this little small pencil brush, and I'm going to place this in my inner corner, my inner tear duct. I'm going to apply my Lancome. This is a base mascara, and this is going to help my lashes really be va-va-voom. And then I'm also going to apply my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in Black is Black and curl my lashes for 10 seconds, so I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows already, and all that I used was my Flower Beauty Brunette eyebrow pencil and my Gimme Brow by Benefit in the shade 5, and that's all. Okay, I'm just going to go in with my Urban Decay lip pencil and Rush, and I'm just going to outline the top of my lip here and then fill in my lips. Now that my lips are overdrawn, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay lipstick in Back Talk. Going to take my MAC lip gloss in Cherry Blossom, and I'm only going to apply this in the center of my lips. So this completes the nighttime Valentine's Day look. If you like this video, then please give this a thumbs up. And if you would like to tell me one of your favorite things about Valentine's Day, leave a comment down below. And if you could be so kind, please subscribe to my channel. It really warms my heart when I get new subscribers. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.